So good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online channel IT Learner. So now in today's video we are going to discuss some very interesting thing in Java only, and this you can use for class 8, class 9, class 10. See, usually we face problem in the decimal formatting. So here the meaning of decimal formatting in Java, like whenever you are working on the decimal values, so something like that, you are getting so many decimal places if you are working on float as well as on double type variable. So if you want to print some very specific decimal number, decimal places, like wanted to print only 2 digit after that decimal, or 4 digit, or 8 digit. So for that, in Java, we are having a specific function that is printf. So as everybody knows, in Java for printing we use println or print. So like print and println both are the methods which is used to print something in Java. So basically this method, the proper syntax is here, that everybody knows. Okay, this is the proper syntax. So now in this, what is happening here? The system is a class, object out is an object of this class, and this is the method which we are using with the help of this object of this class. So there is one more method, that is print also. So the basic difference between the print and println, whatever we are giving in the round bracket after printing, in case of ln, your cursor will move to the next line, whereas in print the cursor will be on the next cursor position. So now, as you know, uh, here in this video we are going to discuss about this, the difference between the println and printf. So basically while printing, basically this println, whenever you are using this, we can print simple the string. And if you want to print, like let me show you this here. So if you want to print something like this, see here, let me show you the example. So here everything we are printing in terms of string. If you want to print some message, and if you want to print any value, so we are supposed to put a concatenation sign like this. So here is a variable, and you can use any type of variable, like a can be of integer, double, float, char. So you will get the value of that particular variable, followed by the before that you will get a message, then followed by that message you will get the value, as you can see the output. So this, so now here we are printing the message hi, then followed by the integer value. So now see, let me show you this with the help of printf. So printf, while using the printf, the syntax is totally different here. For printing, for printing the integer, decimal values, or the character or the string, we are having some specific conversion character. So suppose, so if you want to print this, then we can use, there is one more way to change the line. We can use this way also. Now see, as you can see in this, with the help of this first println, you are getting this hi 10, the message followed by the value of that variable. In the next line, as I told you, ln will change your line, so automatically your cursor comes to the next line. In the next line, what you are getting, the integer value, this %d. Basically, %d is a conversion character. It is used to print the integer values. So we are putting the comma only. So this is the difference. Here we were putting plus sign. So in that case we were printing everything concatenation symbol. So and here we are putting the comma. Now see, one more variation is there. If you want to print multiple values, so in that case, if you are using print or println, so you need to use plus sign every time, and the printing will create a problem, right? So if you want to print these things, suppose like this, then again you want to print base value also, so we are supposed to use this, then this also. So this is a very long process, but if you are using this system.out.printf, so now let me show you, is this base, then C is percent D again, and now we can put simply the variable name separated by a comma. Now you can see you will get the same output, but in the first statement again and again you are putting the plus sign. This is a very hectic for the students of grade 7, 8, 9, 10, even for up to everyone. But if you are using this, see earlier we were using printf in C or C++ also, C especially. So in that we were using the conversion character and we were printing like this. So this printf you can use in Java also. The syntax is similar, but for printing the different kind of data type values, you need to use different conversion character, as you can see. Now, one more thing. Let me show you here the example. Just everybody knows the math.random function. Basically, that is used to print. See here how I am going to show you the difference now. So basically, if you are using this math.random, so what you are getting? You are getting the output after decimal 16 places. So if you want to convert this output into 2 decimal places or 4 decimal places or 1 decimal places or specific number of places number of decimal places you want, so for that println we cannot use. In that case we are supposed to use system.out.println. So how that I am going to show you. So get ready everyone, this is going to be interesting now. So this percent, the conversion character, we are not supposed to use D because D stands for the whole number. So here we are using this, and now the math.random. So you will get the same result. So now see how you are going to print. So now the output you will get after, see, and now as you can see here I am using percent 2f, 0.2f. That means after decimal 2 decimal places you are going to generate using this math.random or any other decimal values. So now let me show you this. Now you will be shocked. As you can see, the last, second last, this one is printing this output, and this math.random is printing this. So as you can see here, I have given 0.2f. So that is why after decimal you are getting 2 decimal places. If you want to print the same thing up to 4 decimal places, so now this is very interesting, very easy also. So now you can put instead of 2, now see 4. Again I am going to execute this. Now as you can see, just a minute, let me show you the better output. Now this video is going to complete. So I hope this will help you in your printing. Number of you are facing problem, sir, why it is coming after, after decimal 16 places. If you want to, can we get the output after up to 2 decimal places or up to 4. So this is the answer, guys. So here you can check, you can use. So now this is very, very interesting. Printf earlier we were using in C, now you can utilize in decimal formatting. Okay, and for that using printf there is no need to add any additional package. So this is by default, it is available in java.lang. There is no need to add anything. So I think this is you like people, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much, all of you.